Are you looking to increase your sales and profit margin? Looking for a new market to sell your goods? Thinking of exporting? Well, look no further. We've got a range of services to help make your export business a success, as well as plenty of good reasons why exporting might be good for you. For instance, aside from the obvious benefits of more sales and increased profits, successful exporters tend to become more flexible as they respond to new markets, increase their efficiencies through higher volumes and lower costs, minimize risk by spreading their business across several markets, and become more innovative as they're exposed to new products and services. So, where do you start? A good place is to ask yourself these 3 questions. Is my business ready to sell to a bigger market? And if so, which markets should I tackle first? Does my business have the resources, both people and financial, to develop an export business? Are my products, services appropriate for my target markets? Not too sure about some answers? No worries, we're here to help. Just check out the how-to guides in our export zone to help you work out the answers. But that's not all. When you're confident that you're ready to export, we can help with a range of practical issues. For example, when you start looking for international customers, we can help you through our network of global contacts. The export market section of the export zone contains lots of information on key international markets, which will help you decide which market is right for your business. We can provide you with support tailored to meet the needs of your individual business, including anything from helping to develop an export strategy to market research. Our calendar of overseas missions and trade exhibitions can help you get into your chosen markets. Check out the interactive map of events in the export zone to see if your target market is in the calendar this year. Export can be challenging, but there's plenty of help available for you.